Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I bring you another unboxing. I bought this tripod. I think it's a rotating one. I bought it on eBay. So I thought I'll do the unboxing together with you and we can try it and see how it works. So yeah, here it is. That's the little manual. Back. Okay, and that's the tripod. Okay, so that's the tripod, and then the USB. Okay, let's see what it is called. It's called, I can't even read it. I'll just show you. The Smart Personal. You can see that's the name there, and that's how it looks. That's the picture there. So yeah, I'll just put my glasses on and I'll read the manual. See what it says. Right. Welcome to use swing 360 degrees smart following short tripod head. Okay. So there is the instructions and the introduction to the main features. So everything is right there in English. So I'll try and put it together, see how it works. All right. Okay, so here it has got the on and off button, and then the USB, it goes in here. I think that's for charging, right? And then you charge it. So you can also put it on a bigger tripod. So there, right? So yeah, so that's that. I will try and charge it. So, and I also bought this one, this bigger tripod, because the one that I'm filming on is playing up one of the legs. When I put my camera on, it just goes on the side. So I decided to buy this one. I bought this one on Amazon. I watched the video. Someone did a review on it, and I watched the video, and I really did like it. It is very tall, like I think it's 2 meters or more tall, of which I won't use it because it's tall, but I liked it because it is very robust. So yeah, it is by K&F Concept. Let's unbox this one. So yeah, it comes in this bag. Very lovely. Okay, go for the bake. Put it there, and that's the tripod. The tripod comes with a manual as usual. So I won't try and show you a lot because unfortunately I'm not technical. That's why I watched the video, so that I would know what to do. So it also comes with that, and that's the manual, tripod use manual. So yeah, that is that. Okay, so that's the tripod. It is quite heavy. That's why I said it's robust, because it's quite heavy. So let's put it out. You can see. So I hope you can see it. My space is limited. So it comes with, there's a, they say it's very multifunctional. So yeah, so that's this is the ball head, and this part where the camera or phone goes, you can actually, let me come closer, take it, unscrew this one, and then it comes out, and it goes, you know, okay. If you don't want it out, just so I'll screw it back, then it won't move. And it was got this one, shows the middle as well, 0 to 10. Don't know if you can see that. And so that's how it looks there. It's got all those. It has got so many functions. It will take me some time to know how to use all of them, but for general use, that's what I need it for. I don't need, I'm not a photographer who needs all the other functions. So yeah, and this arm here, release. So this one is for locking the legs. If you do that, you open. So this one, it's a detachable monopod. So you can take this off and use it as a monopod. How cool is that? See? So let's put it back. Right. So these, you can just release all of them one time. The one I have, you have to do it, release one by one, like at a time. But this one, see, you just unlock here, and every one of them is just one time. See there, this one is the monopod thing. Okay, let's put it there, like so. Here, see, oh, and then just put it back together. No, you go back there, just lock them. Okay, and it has got a hook down here. If you can see it, that's a hook down there. You can see. So yeah. And another thing, I'm not following the manual. I'm just following what I learned on the video from watching the video. So what they say is you can, this is the ball head, so you can unlock this one and pull this one out. There it has got again, let me come closer. There you can see says stop, so you can pull it in up to there, you stop so that it balances, see, and then you lock it. But then you can unlock this one, and then you'll be able to move it, you know, take 360 right round. Oh wow, that's cool. So yeah, that's that one. Back, I did it. So you can just leave it like that. Now it's taller, but we don't want that. Put it back, lock, and then unlock this one here. Put closer, and then it can go down. Then make it shorter, right? And then you can unlock this one here. Unlock this. Okay, there, put it in. Don't want to lose it, right? And then see, can unlock that one, put it down, lock it, then unlock this. Look at me being so technical, like I know what I'm doing. I don't. So you put this one down here. And then you can mount your camera and you'll be able to take photos like those who do cookery, food shows. You know, you can take it from down here. So yeah, it's quite multifunctional. So I won't be using all of them. I just do a few YouTube videos and that's all that I'll be using it for. I don't know much, but I just thought I needed a good tripod because the one I have, I think it has served its purpose. Now it's time for it to rest because one of the legs it has become loose and it's quite difficult for me to use it. I have to prop the leg every time I want to use it. So yeah, I like this one for now. I just read the reviews and went with that. I will know as time goes. As time goes, I will know how good it is, and I will let you know. I don't do reviews, but I just thought I'll share it with you and show you the few functions that I know about it, how to use it. So here is the other one. Oh yeah, look at that. It is rotating. Wow. There it goes. So yeah, that's how it does it. It rotates, so you can mounted it on this one. So we'll put it on and see how it works. Yeah, it's working. I thought I'd done something wrong, but no, this is how it works. See, it's rotating. There, you can see. So it can rotate. Okay, so yeah, that is my unboxing. It's not a haul, it's an unboxing for this week that I did. Thank you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you are not subscribed, please may you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like, comment below. Thank you so much, friends. Bye.